Think you're deleting apps the right way? Think again. When you just tap, uninstall, or drag an app to the trash, you're leaving behind hidden junk files and leftover data. Over time, this builds up, slowing down your phone and filling your storage. But there's a better way to remove apps completely and keep your phone running smooth. Let's clean it up right now. Step 1. Clear apps, data, and cache. Before you uninstall any application, you should clear its memory. Otherwise, old files will stay behind and clutter your storage. Press and hold the TikTok app icon. Tap App Info or eye icon. Now tap on Storage. Tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Data. Confirm by selecting Clear All Data. Now tap Back, and from here, tap Uninstall. Confirm by tapping OK. By deleting apps this way, you'll prevent leftover files and avoid storage problems in the future. So, that's how you can uninstall an app from your device properly. If this video was helpful, then please press the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.